to come back to another video. So I'm just going to open nail mail that I've got. Now I think I know what's in this. I'm going to open it with you guys anyway because I've not had a lot of videos going up and I thought I better start getting those videos uploaded again. So I've got 2 boxes of these, and what they are is they are just the sponge, like lint-free wipes, but the sponge version, because in that way you're not getting any fluffies at all in your nails. So I got 2 because, give me 2 seconds, I'll show you. I bought these little pots, which I have been filling up and obviously labelling in the label maker. And another thing that had came was my mini buffers, and I got 2 different kinds, so I've popped them in those tubs as well. So we'll just open one of them quickly and pop them in my tub. Perfect. Actually, I thought I would have needed 2 to fill the tub, but at least I've got plenty, I suppose. So they'll go on my shelf with the other ones, and then they'll go in my stock. And then in this last one here, this is a lot better, you'll probably appreciate this more, is some crystals. So we'll just take them out. And then I'll show you what we've got. So this is them here. I will leave the links in the description below and the prices, but these weren't dear at all. So I got the pinky coloury ones, and I also got these ones. So they're colour shifting, which I love. So this is these ones. I can't actually remember how many is in each, but I'll give them a little count. But that's what I got, guys. So absolutely beautiful. And as I said, just a quick video, but I just wanted to open some nail mail we use and put another video up. So if there's anything that you want to see me trying to do on nails, let me know, because I've been slacking a bit because my studio's been getting work done on it, obviously, which I'll do at a studio tour as well, and I'll show you all my stuff later on. But thank you very much for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.